Today we are making my favorite dish. No, it is not duck. It is very spicy chicken feet. But it doesn't have to be spicy if you don't like it. Let's clean the feet first by putting it in a pot with hot water and adding salt to it. Turn the heat to high and place the pot on the stove. Meanwhile, you will need 1 habanero pepper if you want it really spicy. If you don't want it spicy, don't use it. Add garlic, 1 tomato, half onion and 1 bell pepper. When the water boils, you will notice a yellow gross foam building up on the top, and you need to remove it. When you see that the yellow foam gets lighter, it is time to drain the water. Now, some people eat their feet with nails. I don't like that. So I will remove the nails from my chicken feet. What are you doing, dude? Don't do that. Getting a knife is easier and faster. Let's seasoning the chicken with half a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper or half tablespoon if you don't want it spicy, 1 tablespoon of oregano leaves, 3 packs of Goya sauce on, half a teaspoon of Tajín Clásico seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Turn on your pressure cooker. Put some olive oil in it. Garlic in. Let it get a little brown. Add the chicken feet. Add 2 cups of chicken stock to the bowl you used to season the feet. Rinse the rest of the seasoning and put into the pressure cooker. Set your pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, cut up 2 potatoes like that. Put it with your veggies and set it aside. After 20 minutes, remove the pressure on the cooker immediately. Look at this beauty. But we are not done yet. Add your veggies and potatoes to the pressure cooker, give it a mix. Close it and cook for 10 more minutes. After that, remove the pressure immediately and serve. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Guys, you should try this before you die, because if you like chicken, you will love this. Now, don't go getting all grossed out because we'll eat fast food, which is garbage, but we won't simmer chicken feet for stock? Forget about it. My fellow Americans. Now I will show you how to eat chicken feet. Ready? Okay, you bite the feet. Remove the meat with your tongue. And spit the bones. Do not crush or swallow the bones. I repeat. Do not crush or swallow the bones. My chicken feet were super spicy but delicious. But you can make yours, your way. See you guys soon. Please help grow the channel by subscribing and sharing the recipe if you like.